you doing right now, Jeff?
You want to put down a layer of tape before you put down the template that goes on there, because if you don't, it'll scratch the shit out of what you're not cutting out. The template will vibrate and scratch up the paint, so put the tape down. Put this template on there. Screw it down and you get it to fit just right. On a normal bag, these will fit just right, but these are an aftermarket lid, so they're a little different. You just gotta line them up the best you can to make them fit. And I got a little hanging over here, so I need to put some more tape on so I don't rub this paint right here. And I'll put an extra one in. Hold this, but you don't want to put it below, because that's what will be left of the bag. This will all be cut out, so you want it on the inside. It's just a pencil grinder with like a little mill bit on there. You're going to go around, and as you start in the holes, you want your bit to really not touch the back edge, and I try to keep anything this way. All this gets thrown away, but if you get out into the outside of this, you could get a leak. So you really want to hug the inside when you're doing it.